Look around you. The digital world is drowning in content. Millions of blog posts are published every single day. Trillions of social media updates clutter our feeds. Everyone is talking, everyone is typing, but very few are truly being heard. In 2026, the harsh reality is this: text is no longer enough. Text is static. Text is ignored. Text is invisible. If you want to build a brand, if you want to spread a message, if you want to sell a product, or if you want to grow a massive following on AI tech, you must use video. There is no other option. Video captures attention. Video builds trust instantly. Video converts a casual scroller into a loyal customer faster than any other medium in human history. But I know what you are thinking. I know the exact fear that is stopping you from hitting publish. Creating video is hard. Creating video is expensive. Creating video is time-consuming. You think you need a $5,000 camera. You think you need a professional lighting setup and a soundproof studio. You think you need to spend months learning complex editing software that makes your head spin. You think you have to be charismatic on camera, but you are terrified of showing your face to the world. And so, you wait. You plan. You procrastinate. You watch others dominate your niche while you sit on the sidelines, paralyzed by the supposed barrier to entry. Today, on AI Tech, I am here to tell you that the barrier is gone. It has been completely demolished. Those excuses are officially obsolete. The dynamic has shifted, and a new era of content creation has arrived. You do not need the gear. You do not need the technical skills. You do not even need to be on camera. All you need is an idea and the willingness to start right now. Because today, everything changes. The future of video creation is not about hardware, it is about intelligence. Imagine a world where you could take a simple written concept, a blog post, a product description, or even just a fleeting thought, and transform it into a stunning, high-definition, viral-ready video in a matter of minutes. Imagine a single platform that acts as your scriptwriter, your casting director, your camera crew, your voiceover artist, and your editor, all working simultaneously at the speed of light. This is not science fiction. This is not a concept for the future. This is the reality of the tool that completely revolutionized my own workflow. This is the power of VideoGen. VideoGen is the ultimate text-to-video engine designed specifically for speed, simplicity, and scalability. It eliminates the traditional bottlenecks of content production. The workflow is so simple that it almost feels like cheating. You start with your script. You paste it into the clean, intuitive VideoGen interface. If you don't have a script, the built-in AI assistant can help you craft one from a single prompt, and then you click Generate. That is it. That is the entire technical process. From that point on, the artificial intelligence takes over. In seconds, VideoGen's AI analyzes your text, understanding the nuance and the context of your words. It doesn't just look for keywords, it understands the semantic meaning. Instantly, it combs through an integrated library containing millions of premium, royalty-free stock footage, clips, and images. It finds the perfect visual match for every single sentence you wrote. It builds the entire visual sequence of your video autonomously. You will never have to waste hours searching through generic stock websites again. But a video is only as good as its audio. VideoGen features an advanced voice generation suite with hyper-realistic AI voices. These are not the robotic, monotone voices from a few years ago. These are expressive, emotive, and perfectly natural voices with human-like intonation. You can choose from hundreds of different voices across various accents, ages, and languages to find the perfect tone for your brand. The AI automatically generates the voiceover from your script and flawlessly syncs the visual clips to the rhythm and pacing of the spoken words. The audio and visual are joined perfectly without you dragging a single file. And finally, it adds the vital finishing touches. In the modern content landscape, captions are not optional. They are required for retention. VideoGen natively generates dynamic animated burn-in captions that keep your viewers' eyes glued to the screen. It formats the video perfectly for your chosen platform, whether it is a landscape YouTube video or a vertical video for TikTok and Instagram Reels. With one final click, your video is rendered in full high definition and is ready to be published to the world. What used to take days now takes minutes. This means you hit the income ceiling is shattered. This is how you win the algorithm game. The social media algorithms in 2026 reward volume. They reward consistency. They reward creators who can produce high-quality content daily, not monthly. If you are stuck in traditional editing, you cannot compete with a creator who is using AI to produce 3, 5, or 10 videos a day. With VideoGen, you can launch multiple faceless YouTube channels across different niches. You can manage social media for dozens of local business clients simultaneously. You can rapidly create massive amounts of short-form content to drive traffic to your affiliate links. You become a one-person media empire. The opportunity sitting in front of you is unparalleled. We are at the very beginning of the AI video curve. The majority of people still think video is too hard. They are still sitting on the fence, waiting for the right moment. The creators who embrace this technology today, who start producing volume right now, are the ones who will establish themselves as the dominant authorities in their niche for the years to come. The window to be an early adopter is closing rapidly. If you don't start today, your competitors will, and they will leave you in the digital dust. The cost of inaction is too high. Think about where your business, your brand, or your income could be in 30 days if you could publish a high-quality video every single day. Think about the traffic, the leads, the sales, and the massive audience you could build. Every day you spend planning is a day of lost revenue. Stop worrying about perfection. Imperfect action taken today beats perfect planning that is never executed. VideoGen provides the speed and the quality. You just need to provide the action. The digital landscape has no memory for plans. It only rewards execution. You have all the information you need. You understand the power of video. You have seen how AI has removed every single barrier that was stopping you. There are no more excuses. The time for analyzing is over. The time for waiting is done. It is time to create. It is time to execute. It is time to win. Reclaim your time. Multiply your output. Start your journey toward content domination. Take the first step toward building the future you deserve. Don't let this opportunity slip through your fingers. Join the revolution of smart creators who are letting AI do the heavy lifting so they can focus on building their empire. Click the link in the description. Sign up for VideoGen right now. Your first viral video is waiting to be created. Start creating AI videos today. Link in description.